Bela kasta ochla nukwa kamena wadi geiklach yelis. Was ikjoch dat nalach. Isloch dat nalach. So I'm here down at the dock, getting lelach gyapach ela la tlendahit gen chunuk adedi lach doch lach hada. Today I wanted to come on here and do sounds. This is a real random because I'm waiting for him. He wrote to me and I think he's just tricking me because he knows I really lay around. I'll say I'm going to be right there, then I'll take another 10 minutes and I just sit there and, you know, I always do that. I don't know why I do that. I think it's anxiety. I leave like at the time you're supposed to be there. Anyway, my son teaches me many lessons of life, and yeah, he'll say things to me, and it's really helped me grow along the way, such as quality time, because, you know, everybody in their life has these they have their own, what do you call that, love language, and mine's, I appreciate quality time. I appreciate conversations. I appreciate a lot of different stuff. I'm definitely not physical touch. It depends on who it is. You know, like, of course, I'm gonna hug my son and my nieces, and yeah. But anyway, so back to the original reason why I'm on here is that I just wanted to make a quick video. See how much time? Oh my god, I just wasted 2 minutes every time. I just wanted to make a quick video before he gets off. So I wanted to talk about the sounds, the sound back K. And a back K is, when I say back, it means that you have to go to the back of your throat. So when you see me go like this with my hand, it means that you have to come back here and up, like in the back of your throat, in order to get the sound, okay? So a back K. A back K is pretty harsh. It might take a little bit of work on your throat and where the sound sits at the back of your throat. So oh, okay, I wanted to do a difference between back K and explosive. So an explosive, when I go like this, is, but when it's at the back, okay? So I like to say that, what if you had something stuck right there and you go, and you're trying to get this, whatever it is, out of your throat, okay? Try it, it's back. So it's almost like, you know, the soft part of your palate. It's close to that dangly thing. I don't even remember what that's called now. But anyway, it's close to back there. You have to like push your tongue that it hits back there. So watch my mouth. My mouth is open when I'm doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna practice these with, I'm gonna say them 3 times each. So we're gonna do back K, A. Ka. Practice with me. Ka. Back of your throat. Ka. No, back K, A line. K. 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 Some cases it goes K, K, K. Then K, back K, E, K, K, K. Back K, I, K, K, K. Back K, O, Ko, Ko, Ko. Back K-U, Ku, Ku, Ku. Okay, let's try that again. Ka, K, K, Ki, Ko, Ku. Ka, K, K, Ki, Ko, Ku. So the back K, how do you know when it's in the back? When I go like this, you know, you have to reach to the back of your throat for that sound. K, like you're pushing something up from your throat, right? Oh my god. Okay. So ka, 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 k, 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 ke, 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 ki, 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 ko, 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 ku, ku, ku. Okay, so just keep practicing. You gotta practice the differences in the sounds too. Okay, so when you see a line underneath the K, that's what you call a back sound. A line under any letter of the Kwak alphabet is going to be called a back sound. Okay, letters with the apostrophes called the explosive sounds. Okay, so just so you're learning the difference between that, when I go like this, it's more like it's more making those kind of sounds. Those are at the front, like behind your teeth or at the front of your mouth. The back sounds with the one with a line under them come from the back of your throat. Okay, so okay, we're going to keep practicing because we're going to come back with more intense sounds. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I know I'm just being really stale and silly on my videos too, but I hope it's helping you through humor, because I had to go through all of this too. I'm not a first language speaker, but I was surrounded by a lot of language because I was raised by my elder grandparents, right? So I hope you're having a good day. Make sure you're tuning in, spreading the word, spreading my page out so everybody's learning at the same time. Dela casta ochla. Shach wala ni kwinkloos. Hala casta ochla.